Have you ever wondered what it would be like to leave everything you know behind and venture into the unknown? Today we embark on such a journey. A solitary man, carrying the weight of humanity's dreams, prepares to exchange the familiar blue of Earth for the uncharted red terrain of Mars. His heart is heavy with the bittersweet pang of farewell, yet it pulsates with the thrill of the extraordinary voyage that lies ahead. Space travel is no walk in the park. It's a grueling test of endurance, both physically and mentally. The G-forces pull at him as he ascends. The silent vacuum of space awaits him, but his resolve remains unshakable. His eyes are fixed on the prize, Mars, the enigmatic red planet. This journey is significant not just for our brave traveler, but for all of mankind. The hopes, dreams, and aspirations of countless generations are tied to this single voyage. As the Earth fades away, the vast expanse of space unfolds, a canvas of infinite possibilities. What secrets does the cosmos hold for those daring enough to explore? As our brave voyager sets off on his mission, the vast expanse of space becomes his new home. The journey is filled with challenges and marvels alike. Each day brings with it a new routine, a series of tasks designed to keep him alive and his ship functioning. There's the daily exercise regimen to combat the effects of zero gravity, the careful rationing of provisions, and the meticulous checks on life support systems. But amidst all this, there's also time for contemplation. He finds himself alone with his thoughts, the solitude of space amplifying the magnitude of his mission. Is it loneliness he feels, or a sense of profound connection with the universe? The spectacle of distant galaxies, the silent dance of far-off planets, the ceaseless cascade of stars, they are a constant reminder of his place in the cosmos. In the silence of space, the voyage continues, with Mars growing larger with each passing day. As the red planet looms closer, what thoughts and feelings might our lone traveler experience? With a soft thud, the rocket lands on the Martian landscape, marking the start of a new chapter in human exploration. Our intrepid traveler steps out, his boots creating the first human imprint on this alien world. As he takes his first steps, the stark beauty of Mars unfolds before him. A dusty, rusty landscape stretches out as far as the eye can see, with towering peaks and deep valleys, painted in shades of red and orange. The excitement is palpable, not just for our astronaut, but for all of humanity as he starts to explore this new frontier. The crisp Martian air fills his lungs, a strange yet exhilarating sensation. His eyes take in the unfamiliar surroundings. His heart beats with anticipation and wonder. Every rock, every mound of dust holds the promise of new discoveries. A new world, untouched and waiting to reveal its secrets, now lies before him. What secrets does Mars hold, and what can they tell us about our place in the universe? As our intrepid explorer sets foot on the Martian soil, he uncovers more than just rocks and dust. He discovers signs of water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it, hidden beneath the planet's surface. This discovery, as simple as it may seem, holds profound implications. It signifies that Mars could have once harbored life, or may even still do so in some form, deep within its crust. Our protagonist reflects on his journey, the monumental steps he's taken from the comforts of Earth to the barren landscapes of Mars. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a testament to our never-ending quest for knowledge and understanding. These findings, these reflections, they're not just his, but ours. They redefine our understanding of life, of our universe. They remind us of our insignificance and yet our incredible potential. From a tiny blue dot to a vast red world, one man's journey has brought us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.